Hi, today we'll try to understand what is bug and the bug life cycle, or what is defect and what is defect life cycle. Okay, so first let us understand what is bug or defect. The bug is the informal name of defect. Okay, you can call it as a bug, otherwise you can call it as a defect, which means that software or application is not working as per the requirement. Okay, for example, if there is a requirement given by the customer, okay, it says when user enters valid username and valid password, okay, and clicks on login button, okay, then user should be navigated to the home page. Okay, that is the expectation or the requirement given by the customer. But when this feature is developed and given to the testing team, when testing team enters valid username, valid password and clicks on login button, but instead of going to or navigating to the home page with successful login message, if we are going to blank page, okay, that is the unexpected behavior, or the application or this feature is not working as per the requirement given by the customer, then you can say there is a bug or there is a defect. Okay, defect or bug is nothing but if application or feature or functionality is not working as per the requirement given by the customer, then you can say that is a bug or a defect. In some companies they may call it as a bug, and in some companies they may call it as a defect. It depends. Okay, both are same. So now we'll try to understand what is bug life cycle or defect life cycle. When you raise a defect, means for example here application is not working as per the expectation. Okay, so you are raising or logging a defect or a bug. Okay, when you log a defect or when you raise a defect, first it will be in the state of new, or it will be in bug trials. Okay, new or bug trials. Okay, some companies may use status as a new, and in some companies it will be bug trials. Okay, so when it is in bug trials, okay, after that what we will do, we will try to assign this one to the specific developer. Okay, as a tester, if you know who developed this feature, and after testing this feature, if you found any defect, you can raise a defect. Okay, that will be in a new or bug trial status, but you need to assign that one to the specific developer. If you are a new tester and you don't know who developed that feature, and you are not sure to assign to a specific developer or not, then what you can do, you assign that ticket to the, or that bug or defect to the development lead. Okay, so that development lead will take care of that bug to reassign that one to the specific developer who developed this feature. Otherwise, if you are experienced tester and you know who developed this feature, and you know this specific developer to whom you need to assign that bug, then you can assign that bug to the specific developer. Okay, in the name of specific developer who developed that feature. Okay, once it is assigned to the specific developer, then it will be in open state. Okay, so when it is in open state, that developer to whom we have assigned that defect, they will get the specific notification like there is a bug and bug number, and the notification like it is assigned to you. Okay, so the specific developer will take care of, or will go through that bug, whatever the defect or bug you have raised. Okay, then when he goes through that bug or that defect, okay, then if it is a valid bug, okay, means actually that functionality is having a defect or bug and it is not working as per the expectation of the requirement, then that developer will fix that bug. Okay, means he modify or updates the code or corrects the code, and he tries to fix that bug or defect. Once it is fixed, then it will be assigned to the tester. Okay. For example, if I raised that defect and assigned to the specific developer, and that developer fixed that bug, and that will be assigned to the tester, that is me, okay, to me, then it will be in pending retest. So when it is assigned to me and it is in pending retest, that time I will get the notification like this bug is moved to in testing. Okay, so now I need to take care of this bug. So that what I will do, I will try to retest, okay, that bug. Okay, again I will open the application, I will enter valid username, valid password, and click on login button, and I will verify whether I am able to navigate to the home page with the login success message. Okay, if it is working fine, means I am able to navigate to the home page with the successful login message, then what I will do, I will make it as a verified and I will close this bug. Okay, this is called happy flow. Here there is no going back and all. Okay, just I raised a bug, it is assigned to specific developer, and that developer took a look at that bug and he fixed that bug, and after that he assigned that back to me. I retested that bug and I verified the functionality, and it is working fine. So I am closing that bug, so that I am moving that to the closed status. Okay, this is happy flow. Okay, and we will consider one more path, okay, or one more branch. Okay, so I am testing some feature and I got a bug. I raised that bug, that is a new status, and that is new status are bug trials, and it is assigned to specific developer, okay, who developed that feature, so that that developer will go through that bug and he will try to fix, means he fixes that bug, then it will be assigned to me back. Okay, so I need to retest that bug. I am retesting that bug. When I am retesting that bug, again I am finding the same, what you call, error or defect, means I am unable to navigate to the home page. Instead, I am going to blank page. Okay, then what I will do, I will comment on that bug like still this bug is not resolved. Still I am facing the same issue, means when I enter the proper username and password or valid username and password and click on the login button, still I am navigating to the blank page. So mentioning that one and assigning back to the developer. So when it is failed, I will reopen this bug, and I'll try to reassign that to the developer, specific developer again. Okay, so this is one flow. When retest is failed, then I am reopening this one and I am assigning back that to the specific developer. Okay, and again that developer will take care of this bug, means he will go through that comments and all, and he will try to again fix that bug, and it will be moved to me, and it is assigned to me, and I will retest that, verify that one, and if it is working fine, I will close this one. That's it. Okay, and just assume there is a feature and it is given to the testing team, and tester, as a tester I am testing this one, and I found a bug, and I raised that bug, that is a new or bug trials, and that assigned to the developer, specific developer. After that developer will go through that bug. Okay, then if already the same type of bug is there, okay, already someone has raised and that bug is already existed, okay, and you are raising the same defect, duplicate defect, then what you will do, you will make it as a duplicate. Okay, it will be moved to duplicate status. Okay, and sometimes what happens, you are raising a, means you are testing some feature, and after testing that you found a defect. For example, here is a user login page, username field, password field, then there is a employee ID field and login button. Okay, you are testing this functionality or feature. Okay, so by going through this, you are able to think like, means you are thinking like username is okay, means you entered username, password, and login button is okay, but you are thinking like this employee ID is not required. Actually, in the requirement, it is mentioned, but you skipped, or you not understood the requirement properly. Then you thought like this employee ID should not be there. So you are thinking like this is a bug. Okay, so you are raising a bug or defect for this feature, means there is a extra field, that is employee ID, present in the login page. Okay, then what happens? It will be assigned to specific developer, and developer will go through that one, and already he knows the requirement, and again he will go through the requirements, and he will tries to identify whether this is expected or not. As per the requirement, employee ID should be there, but you raised a bug by misunderstanding, like there should not be employee ID. But developer already know the details. So what he will do? He will just comment on that ticket or that defect. This is expected, so that I am, and this is the invalid bug, and he will rejects. Okay, he will move it into rejected. Okay, or not a bug. In some industries, they may use not a bug. Okay, then one more status is deferred. Deferred means you tested some functionality or feature, you found a bug, and you assign that to the developer, and developer will go through that one. But because of there are some priority tasks to take care. Okay, there are so many priority tasks to take care. Okay, if your bug, whatever you have raised, is a minor one, and that is not affecting the functionality in a severe manner. Okay, so in that type of situation, the product manager or project manager may say like this means no need to fix this bug in the current sprint or current build. Okay, so we can move it to next build or next sprint. Okay, so we can fix that in the upcoming builds or upcoming sprints. Okay, so they may park it for the later fix. Okay, so it will be moved into deferred state. Okay, deferred state means that is a valid bug, but because we don't have time to fix that bug, as that bug is a minor one and that is not affecting the business logic, and that they want to take care of that bug in the upcoming builds or sprints. Okay, so that will be moved into deferred state, so that that will be taken care in the next release. Okay, this is all about defect life cycle. Okay, when you raise a defect or a bug, it goes through these many statuses. Okay, depending upon the bug type and depending upon the bug whatever you have raised. Okay, if it is a valid bug and it is fixed, and after retesting everything is fine, then you will close it directly. But when it is fixed, but when you retest, it is not working as expected again, and it will be reopened. And one more thing is, when you raise a bug and when developer feels that is already that type of bug is already existed, then it will be made as a duplicate. And sometimes the bug whatever you have raised, that might be because of your misunderstanding, but that is expected one, then it will be rejected. And sometimes if you raise a valid bug, but it is minor and there is no time to fix that one, so that might be taken care in the upcoming releases or upcoming sprints, then that will be moved to default state. Okay, this is all about bug or defect life cycle. Okay, so now we'll try to understand one more concept called how to raise a bug. Okay, we'll try to understand with some example. Okay, raising a bug. Okay, first I need to log in into my defect tracking tool. Okay, I logged into defect tracking tool. Okay, after logging into defect tracking tool by using my username and employee ID, okay, I raised, just I logged in. Okay, after logging in, okay, just I logged in. Okay, this is Bugzilla. Okay, the screen whatever you are seeing is Bugzilla screen, Bugzilla defect tracking tool. Okay, so whenever you are testing as a tester, whenever you are testing a feature or functionality, okay, that time if you find a bug, then you need to raise a bug, right? Or if you need to raise a defect. Okay, so that development team will take care of that one and they will fix that bug. So to track or to raise a bug, you need some tool, right? Here you can go for different types of tools depending upon the project and the company. They will be having specific tools. Okay, some companies may go for the Bugzilla, some companies may go for the Jira, some companies may go for the Quality Center, etc. Okay, here I am taking an example, means all the whatever the tool you use, okay, the thing or procedure is same. Okay, some components may vary, but the procedure is same. Okay, so here we'll try to understand the procedure with this Bugzilla tool. Okay, so here when I log in into Bugzilla tool, okay, with my name, here is my name, right? Okay, I just logged in into my Bugzilla tool. Okay, so when I logged in and I clicked on new, okay, new defect. So here is a new, right? Okay, I clicked on new so that I am able to see this interface. Here I need to select the product, means already it got selected. The product is selected. Okay, product is selected. Okay, so product got selected, so some product name will be there, so it is get selected. Next component, you need to select the specific component that bug or defect comes under or belongs. Okay, so you select some component, then you need to select the severity, means how severe this bug is or this defect is, and the hardware. You are testing your application and you found that defect in which hardware, means in which machine, whether it is PC or Mac notebook. Okay, you need to select that one. Okay, and the operating system, in which operating system you found that bug. Okay, in which operating system environment you found. Okay, next summary, you need to write the summary, means one line summary, means what that bug is or that defect is. And in the description you need to write all the steps, means what you did, and means first what you did, next what you did, next where you went and what you clicked. Okay, then what is the expected result, then what is the actual thing happening. Okay, you need to specify all these things here. Okay, after that, after specifying all these things, you need to attach the screenshot. Okay, here it is clear. Okay, here you need to click on this attach. Okay, so that you can take the screenshot of that blank page. For example, when you click on login button after entering username and password, if it is going to blank page, just attach that screenshot here. Okay, and then click on commit so that this bug is raised. Okay, so this is all about defect tracking or defect raising. When you found a defect or a bug while performing your testing, okay, then what you can do, you can raise a defect or a bug, or you can call it as a, you can track a defect or a bug. Okay, just enter into the login into the defect tracking tool, just mention all the things, select all the components properly. Okay, then attach the screenshot and save it so that it will generate one defect number and defect ID, and the mail will be sent to the specific developer and team lead depending upon the component you have selected, the product and the component to whatever you have selected as a part of this. Okay, notification will be sent to the specific developer who developed that feature. Okay, and from there they will take care of that bug. Okay, so again it will traverse through the bug life cycle, whatever we have already understood or discussed. Okay, developer will go through that bug, they will fix that one. If it is a valid, they will fix that one. Then it will be given to the customer or assigned to the QA or tester. Again, it will be retested. If it is working fine, as a tester, I'm going to close that one. Okay. Otherwise, I will reopen that one again, assign back to the developer. Okay. So this is all about defect, defect life cycle, and defect tracking tool, that is Bugzilla. Okay. I hope you understood all these things, whatever we have discussed about defect. Okay. Defect definition, defect tracking tool, and defect life cycle. After raising a bug, how it will traverse through different phases or different statuses. Okay. I hope you understood all these things, whatever we have discussed. Thank you so much.